Hi everybody, it's the Moscow Kid here again, coming at you live from the man cave. I have this item that I bought at Walmart today. It's a single serve coffee maker, as you can see, and I'm going to unbox this and see if we can't get this thing to work. So without further ado, here goes. Oh look, instructions. I recommend reading these, but I'm not going to because, well, I don't like reading them. Anyway, something to drain French fries on. That's kind of cool. The item in question. Get this thing out. Some disassembly required, obviously. Let's use that package rage. Well, it looks pretty. What I'm curious about is this thing going to make some drinkable coffee? We shall soon see. It says right here on top, I don't know if you can read that, wait 2 minutes between brews. Okay. Well, we're going to make one right now. I'm going to flip this up and pull this little deal out. And I've got some 8 o'clock coffee here. I always liked 8 o'clock coffee, so they actually have it in the little pods pretty close to where they sell the coffee makers. So this should be interesting. Okay, there's this little needle down inside the hole. You can't really see it real well, but anyway, it's supposed to puncture this cup. Alright, that's pretty straightforward. Stab it in there on the little needle, not your finger, the coffee pod. Okay, and that punctures the top. Now it does mention you're supposed to use the container that you're going to receive the coffee in to measure the water out, and I'm going to use bottled water because I just don't trust anything that runs through the ground in pipes and comes out of a tap. It's nasty. Imagine that little pod's going to absorb some of this. Let me see if I can do this without making an ungodly mess here. Okay. There's this little hole on the back. For any of you that might want to try one of these devices, that will overflow when it's too full. So there's this little gauge on the side. It's up to about 8 ounces here. So I'm not going to worry about that good clean water on the counter. It probably needs to be washed anyway. So I'm going to plug this thing in. I'm going to put this cup where it goes. And let's see what happens. I push the button on the side. And this is supposed to magically make coffee come out, so I'm waiting. I hear some brewing noises. This is supposed to be convenient. Now this little thing cost me about $29 and some change, so figure about 30 bucks. Whereas a Keurig rig range anywhere from $69, $89 on up into the $100 range, and then some. So this would probably be what you would find at your local Walmart. So this is the one that I bought naturally, because I ain't John D. Rockefeller and I like a convenient little cup of coffee. So now, any of you that tuned in from my last video saw me use the French press, which after boiling water takes 4 minutes to manually make and press out a cup of coffee. So this is supposed to be faster. So we shall see. I don't see anything coming out. Oh, there's some noise. That sounds promising. So I gather this is not as fast as whipping up a cup of instant in the microwave, but hopefully it should taste something like fresh brewed coffee. You know, they say watched water won't boil. Well, I can't actually see the water. Ah, it's coming out. Oh my God, it's peeing coffee. It's actually peeing coffee. This is amazing. Okay, now I'm starting to get my $30 worth out of this thing. Oh, look how fast that's filling up. Oh wow. Okay, well, when that thing starts going, it goes. That's awesome. Well, thank y'all for tuning in, and I'm going to put some sugar in this and drink this. Make sure to give me a like on the video if you liked it, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll try to follow up with some really good videos. Alright, thank y'all, and have a good day.